Hello everyone, this is Bernice here at the Napping Mouse. So today I want to show you this cute little treat box right here. This one I'm calling an unconventional Halloween treat box, only because it's not that scary looking skulls or Dracula or anything, you know, supposed to be haunted. I'm actually using the colors to create this little box right over here, and this is actually a one sheet wonder. So from one sheet of 12 by 12 paper you will actually get 4 of these boxes over here. Okay, so what the supplies you are going to need is one 12 by 12 sheet of paper, and the one that I'm going to use is the 12-inch sugar double dot paper from Bo Bunny Press. And there's actually 2 sides to this, but I'm going to concentrate on this. This one here is it's called the citrus. It's a 12-inch citrus double dot, orange citrus, excuse me. So we'll be using that. And then we will need 12-inch of, I'm using the waste not paper ribbon. This is actually a 1/4 of an inch satin ribbon. So yeah, really nice quality right there. So we'll be using that. And then we'll need a scrap of glitter paper. If you have glitter paper already, yes, we'll be needing that. Also, we'll be needing a 1 3/4 of an inch punch. The circle punch that I'm using, 1 3/4 of an inch circle punch. Yes, the one that I'm using is actually from Stampin' Up, and this was during my Stampin' Up days. But yeah, if you have any circle punch will do, but that's what you'll need. And then also we are going to use Petaloo flowers for this one over here. This here is the Dahlias in purple, and it comes with 10, so you'll have plenty of flowers to create 4 of these boxes over here. So we'll be using that, and then you'll need glue, the glue dots, the trimmer, scoreboard, scissors, and yes, that is about it. So let's get started. We can leave that over there on this side. And the next thing that I'm going to do is trim off the edge over here. So I'm at my 12-inch mark here. Okay, did I get it all the way through? No, I didn't. Okay. Oh, I think I need to change my blade over here. But the most important thing for you to remember is just, for now, as far as cutting, is just the number 4. So we are going to take this, and at 4 inches, we will trim. Make sure it's matching the top and the bottom. Okay, and then we'll take this, and at the 12-inch side we will cut it at 4. This is box number 1. This is actually scrap paper. If you wanted to use for the background piece over here also, I mean, you're more than welcome to use anything, or instead of having a flower, if you want to use a stamp instead, this will be a great piece to utilize that instead of tossing it away. But we're going to use this for another project. And then this sheet of paper right over here on the 12-inch side, we will cut it at 4 inches 2 times. Okay, so that's 1 and 2. Okay, so there's your other 3 boxes. Now I'm just going to score 1 box. I'm not going to make all 4 boxes during this video, but you'll see this, and you know it's going to be the same thing for the others. Okay, so now the next thing to do is at the 4-inch side, we will get our bone folder here and score it at 1 inch and 3 inches, and then turn to the 8-inch side over here. And then at the 8-inch, we're going to score it at 1 inch, 3.5 inch, 4.5 inch, and at 7 inch. Okay, got it all. All right, now we're going to set our scoreboard aside. Make sure I have my instructions here, my cheat sheet over here. And then the next thing that you're going to do is actually fold and burnish on all score lines, okay? This way it gives you a nice and crisp edge here. Almost done. Awesome. Okay, there you go. The next thing that we're going to do, and I'm actually going to show you this. Oh, I should use it was a Sharpie or pencil. We are going to, you know what, let me use a pencil instead, because I know we're going to actually trim here until the top of this score line over here. So we'll get our small scissors and we're going to trim up to the score line here, and then on all of each of these here. Okay, and then turn it, and we'll do the same thing to the other side. These are really super sweet. I mean, I know I'm using it as Halloween treat bags right now, or treat boxes right now, but really you can use it for any occasions. Christmas, Thanksgiving. Can you imagine this being Thanksgiving with the name over here, a name tag over here, and just like a little gift for the dinner guest? Yeah, that'll be really cute. But I'm a little getting ahead of myself here. So next thing you're going to do is take the tabs and you're going to fold it over and then apply glue. I'm using liquid glue, but if you want to use double-sided tape, it works well. Bring it up and then just press to secure. For some reason this is a little bit off, but we will see how that is. I'll have to trim that when I'm done assembling the whole box over here. Oops, excuse me. Okay, so on this side, we'll add glue. This is also quick and easy too. They can actually do it with the kids. It doesn't take that long also. And I'm sure now during, you know, everybody maybe still in quarantine or something, we're all still looking for something to do, even though it is, you know, back to school and everything, but, you know, there's always, you know, something else to do. Okay, let's add glue here. Okay, there we go. Now that's going to be the bottom part of the box, but make sure that you don't close it here. We're going to just glue the top over here, these two top lids, or yeah, no, excuse me, not lids, sorry, flaps. Okay. Okay, so for some reason my measurements were a little off when I fold and cut, but we can still make that work. I've done these boxes before and they were all just fine. Okay, so now let me just get my scissors. You see how it sticks out a little bit? We're just going to trim that off. Let it be forgiving. This is handmade stuff anyways. Whoops. Okay, can I get that angle? There we go. Okay, awesome. And then I can trim it here just a little bit. Okay, awesome. And over here on this side, let's see how that's going to close. Yeah, it would close nice and tight. Okay. Yes, the only thing that there's just a little bit of gap over here, and that's got to be somehow on my measurements. But I don't know. Keep making those boxes, though. I think that it'll turn out just right. Awesome. And so before you close it, oh, I forgot to tell you, you need some treats or some kind of present here. So I added these two over here since that we are talking about Halloween. And then take your 12-inch ribbon here from Waste Not Paper, and then go ahead and tie it in a knot. This will be the belly band of, Okay, that is just a little bit loose, but that will be fine. And then we'll go ahead and trim it. Okay, awesome. And then let's take our silver paper here, our glitter paper. And of course you can use any color in our punch here. Okay, set that aside. What I'm going to do is use the the dots. These are the clear ones. It makes it easy because I am gluing onto fabric, so it makes it quick and easy to use. And it does come with this protective layer right there. All I'm going to do is put it on top of the knot, press it down a little bit. Can't get it out, then there we go. I mean, it is forgiving. Okay, and then we'll put that on top. I don't want to glue it all the way down to the paper because, of course, I want it to be able to slide like that. Okay, and then let's get a flower. Oh my God, this is looking so adorable. Okay, let me use a different color here. I mean, I've got a few choices. I can use a lighter one. Makes it nice and soft. That's darker. I don't know. I still am going for the darker one. Okay, wait, maybe I can just go with that one. Okay, let's just go with that one. That would be cool. All right, and now for this one, I'm going to add liquid glue. But I'm going to be a little bit generous with it because it is gluing right on top of glitter. Okay, there you go. There. Let's press that down a little bit. Okay, everyone, let's move this all aside. All right. Center that, make sure that's centered. Okay, and there you have it. There are the two boxes over there. Let me know what you think. I just think that they're adorable. I mean, some sentiments would be great, or adding some name or something, or just giving it like this as it is a great surprise. I mean, and then made from you, that's just a nice, you know, unexpected gift right there. Okay, well, let me know what you think. I hope you like this project. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And if you did like this project, please hit the like button. Okay, until next time, bye-bye.